Welcome, in front of me is a HOMTOM HT16 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So you can see that I have both of them here. So there it is, as the SIM and SD card. And to insert it, you will actually need to take out the battery. So number one, take out the cover of the device. Now already, as you can see, pried it off primarily, but you have a place where you can start pulling it off right here on the bottom right corner. So once it comes off, you can then just take out the battery like so and insert the SD card on the right side. So there we go, like so, and SIM card with the cutout on the bottom right corner, but actually in the bigger size, so this one. So this is like the middle size of it. Let me just put that into the adapter. There we go. It's a little bit iffy, it's kind of coming out of there. So you want to just slide that in. Okay, I'm not gonna place that in, it's kind of falling out, but you get the idea. You have this adapter and you just slide that in like so with the cutout on the bottom right corner. And then all you would need to do is just put the battery back in, flip the device over and hold the power key to turn it back on. So I'm just gonna do that right now. There we go. You can see that it's turning back on. And you can see that we're now back in the Android, and there's the SD card being read. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.